Hey for Make You Family, today we bring you with another video. And this one is about a helicopter I actually got for Christmas. See, it's the Grosscoppers S107G. It's the metal series. And well, why don't we open it up, huh? See, I actually already opened this. So that's why it's probably not in proper package, but I keep it like almost how they packaged. See, I opened it, so I put the charger here, so I actually don't have to keep on putting tape in the back. And well, you see, the helicopter right here has 4 propellers and 1 thing right here to control it. This is the off and off switch. Well, yep. And this is the, oops, sorry. This is the controller right here. See, so many keys and buttons, but later on in the video, I'm going to show you how this all works. So, well, yeah. How about we get on with it? See ya. Oh snap. I'm losing control. No, sorry guys, we couldn't continue the flying. It was that the helicopter, as you see here, was actually getting uncharged, and the breeze outside, as you see, it was raining. It was like really strong, so we couldn't really connect with the helicopter. It was like losing control. And well, see, I'm a good flyer at this because I had a helicopter just like this, blue color. Because when I was little, I always had one, but then actually the same thing happened. It lost control and then it broke. And I actually like this one better because now I'm older and I know like everything, how to take care of it and stuff. It's not like it's little. And this one actually had a chance over the breeze more than I had with the other ones. Like the other ones, it will only go a certain height. This one will actually go the higher like places, like not as much as to go up to the clouds, but pretty high. And well, that's why I like this one. And as you see, I have the cables here, so I have to put it to charge. Well, and here's a view of the controller. See, this is to go up. This will start to the propeller, to turn forward, back, right, and left. This is for the spinning control, like if you just want it to go straight, or like if it's left, then it will start spinning left while you fly it. And if you put it right, it will start spinning right while you fly it. And well, here, like if it's A, then it won't do anything. So like that basically shuts down controls. Like that, you don't have to do this or that. And if it's B, then you could literally just control everything. And here's the helicopter. This is the propellers. It has 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and this stick right here. This is for when you turn it starts this, and this is a off and on button. It's pretty small. See, it's like a police wheel, wheel, wheel. And this is where we're gonna connect it. It's like pretty small. It's not like the rest. And you see, this is a normal head, and this is the cable came with. It's like different than the rest. You see, and it's like yellow too. So I'm gonna put it to charge. And we will comment you guys when the thing is ready, and then we will continue on the video when it's fully charged so we can do another play of it. Oh snap. I'm losing control. Well, for Mickey family, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to us in our channel. We have lots of cool comments on there. Well, hope you liked this tutorial about the new helicopter I got. It's pretty cool. And well, till next time, bye.